In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive and send money from your PayPal account. Whether you're buying something online, paying for a service, or simply transferring funds to a friend, PayPal offers a quick and straightforward way to handle your financial transactions. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head to the official PayPal website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in paypal.com. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're there, look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Key in your email address and password associated with your PayPal account. Make sure you're entering the correct details to avoid any login issues. Remember to keep your login information secure to prevent unauthorized access. After entering your credentials, click Login to access your account dashboard. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Pay and Get Paid section, which is prominently displayed on the dashboard. This is where you'll find the option to send money. Click on Send Money, and a form will appear where you can enter the recipient's details. You'll need the recipient's email address or phone number that's linked to their PayPal account. Ensure you have the right information to prevent sending money to the wrong person. After entering the recipient's details, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to send as well as the currency. PayPal allows for international transactions, so make sure you select the correct currency for clarity and accuracy. Once you've filled in these details, click on Next. At this point, you'll be asked to indicate whether you are paying for an item or service, or if you're simply sending money to a friend. This is important as it can affect transaction fees and protection services. With that sorted out, click Continue. Now it's time to choose how you wish to fund the payment. You can opt for your PayPal balance, a linked bank account, or a debit card. Select the method that suits you best, keeping in mind that each option might have different processing times. Finally, hit Send to complete the transaction. And just like that, you've sent money through PayPal. To receive money, you'll need to share either your PayPal registered email address or phone number with the person sending you money. This allows them to send funds directly to your PayPal account using the details you've provided. Once they initiate the transfer, the funds should appear in your PayPal balance, which you can then use for purchases or withdraw to your bank account. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to sending and receiving money with PayPal. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips on managing your online transactions efficiently.